Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. So today we are doing a quick 5-minute makeup look. We're gonna do my get ready on a go, mom on a go makeup, because this is seriously what I do on a daily basis when I am headed out for errands, when I'm just in such a hurry, I don't have time to make myself look all perfect. This is just my staple routine that I just quick slap together and then run out the door. And I know all you busy moms out there can feel me. There's so many days you just want to look presentable, run out the door, and not you just really don't care what you look like to the greatest extent, yet you still want to look put together a little bit. So this is just what I do. It takes me 5 minutes. I can be out the door super quick. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly what I do. This video was highly requested, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get started here. We got 5 minutes to get ready. We need to be out the door really fast here. I don't even do primer. I'm gonna skip primer. I honestly only use primer if I am doing more of a made up look. If I'm just doing an everyday quick out the door makeup look, I honestly just skip the primer. I don't have any issues with my makeup or foundation moving around ever, so I just pretty much skip the primer and skip that whole step. I'm moving right into my foundation, and this is just my everyday go-to foundation. I just absolutely love this. I've been using this for a year now, you guys, and I just continue to use it because it's the perfect everyday foundation. It's the Osmosis CC cream, and I always just mix the two shades. I'm in neutral, just depending on if I'm self-tan. I just kind of mix the two shades of sand and neutral, and I just mix them on the back of my hand. And then honestly, I'm not even going to use a brush today. I am just going to apply this just like a moisturizer, just all over. And it's going to balance out my skin. It's gonna color correct my skin, and it honestly just makes your skin look that much more perfect. It doesn't have insane coverage. It's a CC cream, but for a foundation, an everyday foundation, I mean, look at that. It just perfects your skin, and it looks like skin. And then there we have our base. Like I said, just your skin, but better, perfected and softened and illuminated a little bit. So there you have the foundation. It takes 2 seconds. So next I do my brows, and when I'm in a hurry, I don't perfect my brows at all, even though, Lord knows they need help, but I just don't perfect them and don't worry about them so much if I'm just running errands or, just you're getting out the door super quick. But I'm taking my Anastasia brow powder. This is in the shade Taupe, and this is actually what I do when I'm actually doing my brows anyway. I just do it in a much quicker fashion, but I just take this brow powder and this little pencil brush, and all I've been doing is taking a little bit on my brush and then just going over the brow area. And I don't even care if I'm being super precise. I just kind of make it look presentable so that I look like I have halfway decent brows when I walk out the door. But I just find that powder, going over with powder, even when you have scarce brows like I do, the powder just softens everything and just keeps it, it's just super fast, just really fast, just to go over everything like so. So that's what I do. I just kind of go over with powder, and then just looking at it, if I need to go over with a brow pencil just to kind of fill in any little gaps further, just to kind of get those little extra sparse areas. That's all I do. That's good enough for me on the go. And then I take my Anastasia brow gel. Always do this because this just holds everything in place and then makes everything look softer and more natural. Whatever this does, it just makes it actually look like hair, whether you're using a powder or a brow pencil. Always finish off with the brow gel. It just looks so much better. So we're gonna move on now to, where is it? Where's my concealer? Concealer. Now this is something that I never leave the house without. I will always dab a little concealer around my eyes before I leave the house, always. This product right here has been an absolute lifesaver on my everyday basis concealer routine. This is the brand new Color Science Total Eye. It's a 3-in-1 renewal therapy. This concealer is the best perfect concealer, you guys. On an everyday basis, this has been my go-to. They sent this to me a few weeks ago, and I've been wearing it ever since. I just couldn't talk about it yet because it wasn't released, but it's released now, so I can share it with the world. It is amazing. There's so many uses that I get out of this. Like I said, it's perfect for your everyday go-to quick eye concealer, but you can also use it as a primer, and I'm gonna share with you guys why. But let me go into the details of it really quick because I do want to share this with you guys. It has a broad spectrum of SPF 35. It comes in a little kind kind of push up like this where you can, put it under your eye. It's cooling, so it helps to depuff the eyes. The ingredients in here are fabulous. They're actually gonna help and benefit the skin around your eyes. It has a great peach undertone at the same time, so it really brightens the under eye, but it feels amazing under the under eye. It's not drying, it feels great. It's like moisturizing, but it doesn't slip around. I love it. So basically what I've been doing is I've been using this as just my concealer alone on my everyday makeup days where I can just dab it on and be out the door. It stays put and it just gives me that everyday look where it doesn't look like I'm too like glam or perfect under the eye. Sometimes when you go with like a no makeup look and then you have like full coverage concealer on, it just doesn't work. Like this has been my go-to everyday concealer because I can apply it under my eyes. It gives me the coverage I need, yet it goes with my whole like no makeup look. So I love that. So it's great for your everyday concealer, but then you can also use it as a primer. So you can actually apply a more full coverage concealer over top of this and just get, all the benefits of this. It primes, it smooths, it has the SPF, it has the tint, it has the brightening effect, but then you can still get more coverage if you want on the days where you want to be a little bit more glam. You can apply your more full coverage concealer over top of it. So like I said, I've been completely in love with this. I've been using this constantly. And I did talk to Color Science because they did send this to me, but I did talk to them, and what they're gonna do for you guys is with the purchase of this new eye renewal product, they will send you guys a free mascara at the same time. So I'm gonna link that code and all the information down below in the description box for you guys. But if you purchase this new product, which you will not be sorry, it is amazing. If you purchase this, they will send you a free mascara. So again, all that info is gonna be listed below, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do, and all I do is I take this and dab this around my eye. I don't need a brush. I don't need my beauty blender. It just blends out perfectly all by itself. Oh my gosh, and it feels amazing. I just love the benefits of this. I love the way it looks. And yes, these are all my absolute opinions. Just because I was sent this, like you guys know, I'm completely honest with you guys. It is amazing. And I really couldn't wait to tell you guys about this. I was waiting for it to be released because I've been so excited to share it with you guys because it honestly is like the perfect everyday concealer. And I have been using it with my, more full coverage concealers on top, and it works amazing like that too. But look at that, super quick. You just need your fingers, it blends out, but look at that. Like it makes your under eyes look perfect without looking heavy or too made up. So I love it. I am addicted. I am hooked. So honestly, you can skip the whole powder under your eyes. I don't ever have an issue with this moving around or anything, but you can powder it as well just to, if you feel better and more confident that's not gonna go anywhere. So I'll just give it a little powder. Then I'm taking this powder right here. This is the Osmosis Pressed Base. This is the natural medium, and I'm gonna set everything. This just adds some more coverage. It evens out your skin tone, makes your skin look that much more flawless. And I love it to set my foundation. This is what I use every single day. Then we're gonna move on to bronzer. I'm taking my Glow Minerals bronzer. This is the Sunlight Bronze. And I am just gonna be very quick. Again, I'm not going precise. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just gonna warm up my skin. I'm gonna take that Ilia eye primer and I'm gonna pat a little bit of this just right onto the lids. Again, it just creates a more even base. I don't need to apply anything on top, no eyeshadow, but it just makes everything look a little bit better. I'm gonna take some quick blush. This is the Glow Skin Beauty Blush in Papaya. The shade is amazing. It's beautiful. I've been loving it. Some days I skip blush when I'm in a hurry. I just bronze up quick like I just did, and that's all I do. If I, wanna do a quick little extra second, if I have an extra second to spare, I will take a quick blush and just go super fast. Again, just kind of all over, just to give me some color there. I'm gonna take my RMS Beauty Quad here for our little highlights. Just gonna dip it into one of those shades. And I just like to do this because it always just gives that pretty glow to my skin without looking crazy or, like harsh highlight or anything like that. It just gives a very natural look to the cheekbones where you don't look so flat or so matte. I like more of that like dewy look. So again, if I have an extra second, I will just dab some of this just right along the cheekbones and then like right along the Cupid's bow right in here. All right, next we're gonna curl our lashes, and this is the step I always do no matter how big of a hurry I am in. I always curl my lashes and add some mascara quick. I'm taking the Glow Skin Beauty. This is the volumizing mascara, and we're just gonna coat the lashes real quick. This mascara is so perfect for just volumizing and thickening up the lashes. I love it. I'm using the same mascara on the bottom lashes. You guys are used to seeing me use the MAC Giga Black Lash on the bottom, but we don't have time for high maintenance lashes today. We're using one mascara and then we're out the door. All right, then we're just gonna finish up with the lips. I'm taking the RMS Beauty. This is the Lip Shine in the shade Honest. This is just like a lip balmy type of product and it feels good. It gives great little color and I just kind of dab it on. I love this color so much. It's just such a perfect like nudie pink. All right, so that's it. That is my go-to 5-minute makeup look. Honestly, everything that you just saw here, it takes me 5 minutes to do and I'm out the door. And yeah, you look pretty presentable at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave the coupon code and link for this Color Science Total Eye. I will leave it down below in the description box, along with links to everything else that I used today. But this product is phenomenal. It's been my go-to. I mean, look at my under eyes. They are flawless. They're gonna stay like that all day. They don't budge. And the skincare benefits and everything along with this is perfect. You get an SPF in here as well. I love everything about it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up if you enjoyed my 5-minute mom on the go makeup, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.